Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Red's Gameplay Videos. As per usual, starring Reds. Hang on, let me sort the volume out. Sorry about that. So yeah, as you know, we're gonna be playing more Sonic Forces. Previously in Sonic Forces, we got 1,009 trophies, and we unlocked Tier 4. And I'm gonna try to unlock Tier 5 if I can. My next goal is to get 1,500 trophies, and yeah, let's try out these new tracks. Yeah, let's go. And other than that, I don't know what's gonna happen today. There's a chest. Let's open it. Oh, I didn't even check out the Thorn Rose thingy. Not that I'm gonna get Thorn Rose because I don't have enough red star rings to recover for the next thing. Anyways, equip items in battles. 3 items. I can do that. I don't know how to equip though. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Emerald City Downtown Dash. I don't think this is the new one. Is it? I don't know. This might be one of the new tracks that we unlocked. Oh god, it's raining. This one seems easy. Honestly hate this game whenever it does that. Oh my god! See what I mean? That's like exactly the same thing as yesterday. Come on, let's stop it, man. Now, what was that? This was a totally ridiculous match. So long as I'm earning my trophies and not losing them. Anyways, be right back. That match was ridiculous, but it's okay. I need to level up my characters more so I can like get EXP share and level up. EXP share, that's in Pokemon, not this game. But EXP is definitely a thing to help you level up in a lot of games. Wow, there's so many characters that I haven't even unlocked yet. Elf, Classic Sonic, Baby Sonic from the movie Sonic. Wow, this looks so cool. Anyways, enough looking at characters, let's play some more races. Again with Downtown Dash. Well, this is easy, but that guy just literally stole my first. What is it with people and stealing firsts? I don't understand. I'm gonna try and steal their first next time just to watch it. Oh my god! Stop it, man! Oh. Okay, really? Come on. Yes. And we done it, people. First place. That wasn't so hard. That wasn't so hard. Be right back. Wow, we already got 1,053 trophies. My god. Don't need to upgrade our characters for now. Tiers are basically like upgrading your levels, if I'm correct. So right now I'm specialist. Woo! Lambent Grove, Mystic Jungle. Now this is what I was waiting for. The new tracks. See, I'm specialist right now. OMG. This music is so cool. It sounds like Sunset Bridge, but totally different version. It's so cool. Why is this music so good? I swear, lots of Sonic soundtracks are so good. Basically Sunset Heights, but nighttime version. I like that. Totally like that. Man, that was one good track. Now let's see what other new tracks come up. Wait, let me go to tier list. Veteran, that's gonna be my next tier. Then leader, hero, master, elite, champion. So this was the Lambent Grove, I just played that. Awesome track. Emerald Market Blitz, don't know that I haven't played yet. Pinnacle Peaks, I want to play that too. I want to play all the new tracks that I unlocked. Yes, Emerald Market Blitz, I was hoping I could play that. And I'm almost there to getting 1,100 trophies. For exactly the same as what I played before, but loving the new look. It's even more rainy, like Luigi's Circuit and the Mario Kart Super Circuit. Are you serious? I think this game is like trying to troll me or something. See? Oh my god, what am I doing? This is so awful right now. I'm being so awful right now. But I'm not being awful on purpose, it just happens. But I'm really, really trying to be good. I'm not even kidding, I actually am trying. Really? Yes. Third place is mine. I'll take third. But fourth, I couldn't take. Because then it makes you lose like 9 points. Okay, people, I'm back. I guess I'll play one more race, then I'll head out. Just until I hit 1,100 trophies, actually. Lambent Grove again, yes! I love this track. my new favourite track in this game. My first favourite track is that sunset thingy. Oh, the music is so good. It totally resembles the sunset bridge. I guess it's like a mixture. Oh my... Please, not in my favourite track. Don't mess around with me in my favourite track, please. It makes me sad. This is amazing, this music. Oh dear, I have another earworm now. I'm gonna be listening to this soundtrack until I get bored of it. You know what my problem is, right? Fact about me is that whenever I play a game, right, and whenever I hear a music in the game, I end up liking it a lot. Too much, to the point where I end up listening to it so much, to the point where I just get bored of it. But in my mind, I'm like, this is the best soundtrack this is the best game soundtrack ever, and I'm not gonna get bored of it. But then later on, I get bored of it, like probably a week later. I remember watching like a Pokemon a Soul Silver and Heart Gold playthrough, and I remember like I heard the Pokemon Wild Battle theme, the Johto version, for the first time, and I absolutely loved it. Like, absolutely went crazy ballistic listening to it. Like, I said to myself, yep, I'm not gonna get bored listening to this, but then a week later, I got bored. But I listened to it for a good while though. Actually, 2 weeks. I just couldn't stop listening to it. Especially the part where the bells start ringing during the music, and it gives you like total jolly vibes, and it's just so good, the music. Good to listen to it on a rainy day. Summer rainy day. Well, that's what I do. Anyways, I might do one more race, I promise. Then I'll end the video, so I'll be these. Okay guys, ooh, flashing red, the tier list. Let's go check. Not red, gold. Why did I say red? What's happening? What? What's happening? I don't know what just happened, but no. Okay. Just collecting my mission rewards. Then I'll play the track. But still though, I don't know what that was about. Season 62? I need to learn more about this game. Anyways, let's try and play some more tracks. I really want to play Mystic Jungle again. Lambent Grove. Lambent, if that's how you pronounce it. I was hoping to get Lambent. That's okay. Wow, that dude's on level 1 and he's got 1,012 trophies. Wow. That's shocking. Why is this game lying to me? They said it's an easy track, but I keep getting hit. Stop it, man. So what have I ever done? What have I ever done to ever deserve this terrible punishment? I swear, getting punished is so not cool. This game hates me. But why? I've never done anything to it. All I ever did was play it. Oh, I'm not supposed to even play it now. I don't know. 3rd place, come on, yes! 3rd place, I'll take it. 2 trophies for getting 1st place. Better than nothing. Be right back. Okay people, time to call it an end. If you guys like this video, then I highly recommend to like and subscribe. And yeah, it was fun making this video as usual. Really enjoying Lambent Grove. Yep, I'm definitely gonna listen to that. That's gonna be my next jam. I mostly like listening to Mario music. Sonic music I like, but Mario music I like listening to the most because it's very catchy and I like it, okay? I like it. So yeah, please like and subscribe. And oh my god, my birthday's in 5 days. Hopefully I can do like Mario Kart tour on my birthday, or not, we'll see. Peace. Have a marvelous day, my peeps.